Yes, and the fact of the matter is, you talked about that $30,000,
Right.
right? So this is what I call the Obamacare scam.
Right.
If you had to pay that much money, well, you wouldn't have to pay that much money. If you had
Right.
a real insurance policy, you would pay very little. I talked to a guy recently who before Obamacare was paying $66 a month for a $1,500 deductible. Now, if he had had a really high, I think that was through his employer, but nonetheless, if you have a
Sure.
really high deductible, that's actually what you could be paying. And so Obamacare said, we're going to cover everybody. So now they're offering us high deductible policies for the cost of we pay absolutely everything to the first dollar and dime, right?
Right.
And so this is such a scam because we all have catastrophic coverage at a first dollar price.
Yes.
And this is because he wanted to get all of the people, he wanted to take away insurance. So, anybody who has a pre-existing condition, they can get coverage.
Yeah.
That means it's not insurance. We don't have insurance because if your house is burning and you go to get, home insurance to pay for it, they'll say, are you crazy?
Right.
Nope.
Absolutely. Of course. Right.
That's real insurance.
Yes.
Insurance is
Absolutely.
for the thing you hope doesn't happen to you, never
Yes.
happens. This is why we want lifelong access to lifelong insurance, because even Medicare, 8 years until it's insolvent and will only be able to pay 89% of its bills.